This is the KEDSUM wheeled plant caddy. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual. Here is the caddy itself. They give you some bolts along with a hex key for that and 2 panels. Okay? Very simply, you see there's all kinds of holes around there. You line it up where it needs to be to fit the particular plant that you have. Okay, simple like that. So if you wanted it like that size, for example, you take that out, move that in, and then you put the bolts in. I'll show you that in just a second. This will fit up to 20-inch plants, but can be downsized like this to 15 inches, so 15 to 20 inches, and it holds up to 800 pounds. Another thing worth mentioning are the wheels on it. If we flip it over for a moment, there are 2 brake wheels on the one side here. You can do that with your foot if you want. That will stop the wheel from turning. You see how that one goes. But this one is stopped, and it also will lock into position like that. There's like detents around there, so it may not lock in immediately, but then you just, it'll jostle into place like that. So now these wheels can't move to keep the plant nice and stationary. Now, like I said, assembly is very, very easy. The one thing you want to do is just plan out where you're going to want it. We're going to go for the smallest setting like this, but that's going to leave this hole open. The rest will be closed up when I put the other panel on, like that. So we just have these holes open. Any open holes you want to make sure you put a screw into, because that way, if it rains or if you're watering the plants, water won't get in the frame. It's water resistant, but the bolt or the screw keeps the water from getting in. Otherwise, you just got an open hole and water can get in there. So we did that one, and we can tighten that up with the included Allen wrench right here, like that. Now we'll take this one, line that up, and we'll line that up right there. And we do these nuts up like that, or these bolts up like that. And for the other side, just to show you, if you were going like this, for example, now you got 3 holes. So you would put this one in over here. Okay, I'm just doing this hand tight because I'm going to make it smaller in a moment. And then you can do this one also. And then that one. Okay, but then you got 2 open holes, so you want to make sure that you put the bolts in there as well so water doesn't get in them. And then you would do everything up. Now I'm going to move this over to where I need it, and we'll try it out. Now I'm fresh out of gigantic plants to put on this, so we're going to have to make do with 50 pounds worth of pool chemicals. Well, maybe I could dress that up a little bit, and we can do that. Okay, so there would be your plant, and as you can see, you can move it anywhere you want. Wheel it right away, go to get watered, come back, anything like that, and then you can lock the wheels. Doesn't want to go. Just the chemical buckets themselves are moving. But that's it. It's stuck there, but again, you just loosen up And there you go. It rolls all around. So once again, this was the KEDSUM wheeled plant caddy. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.